my friends, how are you? Good morning from my agricultural land, Pakistan. My lovely friend, this is my agricultural land. This is my dad's trees. My father had awarded 6 acre land as a gift. 6 acre land available in these areas, district Sakhar. This is my agricultural land. This is my dad's tree, my lovely friend. If proper care in these trees, if give them proper care, every 15 days watering, soil cultivate, there are no cultivate, they are give, understand? They are give, no cultivate, no oxygen are mixed with protein, no oxygen would mix with soil, because these they are no cultivate, no fertilizer. If we in per 6 months put up their fertilizer of animal waste and watering every 15 days, this plant is growth and growth and growth, very powerful. There are huge losses not cleaning these trees. If we care, the business of dad's tree of golden business. 95%, 98% export dry dates to India from Pakistan. 90 to 95% export to India via Dubai. From the season of sale will come October to February, New Year. Their marriage ceremonies, all the function must be used dry dates by Hindu community in India. This is my agriculture land. These are my dates. Understand? When dates palm established its a requirement watering monthly basis and every 6 months soil cultivation, soil fertilizer, animal waste. Keep your plant in full of sun. They are full of sun, full energy by sun, full energy. Gain these trees by sun, full energy received these trees, carbon, oxygen, huge carbon, huge oxygen. Understand? But we cannot care if this fertilizer, this soil very soft, there is no soft, they are not cleaning. Understand? If we care 100% care for these trees, for the land, it is better and better. The pH of my soil 8 to 9. This is a very profitable pH for my wheat crops, for my cotton crops, for my dates. pH, power of hydrogen. Understand? Farmer, its seed, this cut off this seed, remove from and submit to fertilize to other. This is a seed, free of cost available. This is a seed, this is little plant. When you grow, you cut from this large tree and shift to their land. Understand? During first year, only watering required. ठीक है, understand? The fruit known as dates are sweet and highly available in Pakistan. Okay, bye.